For Module 12, Lesson 7, we're breaking it down into 2 days. The first day, we're going to start off with this Think, Share, Pair time, where you and your teammates are going to be working on this whole first page together. Now, in doing this, there's a link to a Desmos activity, and that Desmos activity is going to pop up to look like this. And it's designed to help you to understand what parts of the prism equate to what parts of the box, so that you can find the area of each part and then get your totals that you're going to need to do on that. You're going to do this part independently or as a small group together. What I'm more interested in is this one, where here you're going to be given a variety of different three-dimensional objects, also known as polyhedrons, and asked to create one single equation to represent their value. Now, some of y'all are going to be tempted to just throw down an answer for this, but that's not going to work. You're going to have to give me supporting work to justify the answer you have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this shape, and I'm going to jump over to a clean sheet of paper, and you're going to need to be doing this on some lined GoodNotes paper. I'm going to paste that screenshot in. Maybe if I can get it to go here. Boom, there it is. And then I'm going to take, and the very first thing I'm going to do is create a net to represent this. So what do I have going on here? Well, first off, I have got a rectangle. And off of each rectangle, I have got 4 triangles. Now with my program, that's going to be a little hard to make. But make it I have. So here's going to be my net, and I can put in some numbers here that say the side lengths of my square is going to be 4, and the height, clearly not the square, of each of my triangles is going to be 10 centimeters. Next thing I'm going to do is come up with some formulas. So the formula for the area of the square is going to be length times width, or base times height, which is going to end up giving me a 4 centimeter times a 4 centimeter. But I'm not solving that right now because it didn't ask me to solve it. It asked me to come up with an equation. And we're going to see that, oh, I'm on the wrong screen here. We'll see that right here. It just says write an efficient equation. So from there, I can take and jump back over to, oops, I know what I'm doing wrong. This one right here, and I'm going to focus on the formula for the area of the triangles. Well, the area of a triangle formula is area is equal to base times height divided by 2. But how many triangles do I have? I have 4. So if I wanted one all-encompassing formula for the surface area of the entire thing, I could do length times width of the square plus 4 times base times height, all divided by 2, where on my triangle that would be a base of 4 and a height of 10, all divided by 2 that we would plug in there. But once again, it's not asking for me to solve it. It just wants the expression, and this part here is what I would end up putting into my answer key. But if you want credit for doing these, you're going to have to show me this. You're going to have to show me where you unfolded the box to make your net, figured out what formulas you would need, how many of the formulas you would need, and combine them into a single document. So that's going to be it for your lesson today. You've got a number of problems to work with on this one. You've got to do the same thing for, looks like a rectangular prism, a cube, and a, scroll down here, oh, scroll down too far, triangular prism here. So you've got 4 different items right there that you're going to be doing that with, along with doing everything that's on the first page using your Desmos activity. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in class tomorrow.